The world is now filled with tools that allow us to meet and socially connect with nearby strangers. Location-based networking apps erase boundaries between many individuals. This means exciting new possibilities, but also some big questions. Can I trust the other people on these apps? Do we have the same goals? What if my neighbors or friends see my profile? Navigating these social networks presents some unique challenges.
I'm inherently distrustful of meeting people I don't know online because so many people misrepresent themselves.
I got one match. It was a prostitution solicitation, and I was kind of upset.
For my friends, I worry that maybe some people might think that they're using them, might get the wrong reason of why they're using them.
Some people on Grindr are really racist.
You know very little about what you are going to do or who you are actually interacting with because all you have is a picture.
We've focused on Grindr to understand how people experience these apps. Grindr is an all-male, location-based networking app where gay men pursue all types of relationships. Even in such a seemingly accepting network, stereotypes and stigmas can create negative experiences both online and in person. Imagine you're setting up your Grindr profile. How should you choose your profile picture to make yourself look good? How do you write your description to attract attention? And what if you don't want certain people around you, like your coworkers or your ex, to know that you have a Grindr profile? Or maybe you don't want them to know that you're just looking to hook up on Grindr. This can make self-presentation a complicated set of decisions. In one of our studies, we examined Grindr profiles and found differences in the words people used to portray their goals. Those who wanted to portray themselves as focused on relationships or dating used very direct language, such as not looking for hookups to avoid misleading interactions. They identified an opposition to what they seemed to see as a negative behavior. But users more open to casual sex were much less likely to reveal their motives directly. Instead, they used vague, often euphemistic descriptions like looking for fun or NSA, no strings attached. This could help avoid the stigma associated with casual sex by making their goals less obvious. Another aspect of online presentation is profile pictures. Pictures often determine if users will initiate or respond to online chats, so the stakes can be high. Some men share pictures of their torso to show off a good body, to obscure identity, or to send a sexually charged first impression. Others decide to use face pictures, while some disguise their identity completely by using landscape or non-human pictures. In one study, we found that nearly 69% of Grindr users had profile pictures that included a face, while almost 18% used headless torso pictures. These behaviors create an ambiguous online environment. Users' goals are hard to interpret, and face-to-face encounters can end in disappointment. While location-based networking apps erase boundaries between many individuals, they can also lead to harsh judgments and hurt feelings. We have a lot to learn about how people use these tools so that we can improve design and our understanding of how people interact. We are continuing to study how people behave in these applications and how different features can help foster positive interactions.